quick smart car update. It's a 2015 451. Got my summer wheels on. They are the Real aluminum 15-inch. They're all the same size. I think they're 6-inch wide. I went with 185 55 15s, 34 pounds in the back, 30 in the front. Night and day difference in handling. Oh my God, night and day difference between drive and handling. Looks 10 times better, but it also it doesn't wander on the highway. The wind doesn't blow it as much. It's just, yeah. Can't say enough for it. Yeah, they're the Real. They're especially made for smart cars. I lucked out and got a set of 4 Real rims. They had tires on them, but the tires were scrap, and 2 other smart car rims, aluminum rims, rears. All 6 for $40. Don't shoot me. So I just put new tires on them and just mounted them the other day, and yeah, 185 55 15. It's beautiful. Doesn't really change the speedometer, I think, by like 1 mile an hour. No big deal, but oh my God, what a difference in driving.